Welcome to Fi, where technology meets peace of mind. Today, we'll guide you through unboxing and assembling your new Fi collar. Inside the box, you'll find the Fi device, which tracks activity and location, and the collar band, which securely holds the device. To begin, place the Fi device on a flat surface with the Fi logo face down. Take the longer side of the band, open the magnetic lock, and align the connector with the left side of the device. Make sure the small metal indent is facing down. Insert the connector into the stainless steel channel at a 45-degree angle. Rotate the band into place and snap the magnetic lock shut.
Repeat this process with the shorter side of the band. Open the magnetic lock, align the band connector, and slide it into the channel. Rotate into place and snap the magnetic lock. Your device should now be securely attached to your band.
You can activate your device and finish the account setup in the Fi app. Your collar is now ready for your dog. Place it around their neck and use the adjustment tab to loosen or tighten the fit. Leave enough room to comfortably fit 2 fingers between your dog's neck and the collar. Now, it's time to unleash your dog's next adventure.